Hello everyone, this is Cat Demon 43 and here with Okami. Yes, I am doing something a little bit different from just continuously uploading episodes. Oh. I should probably do this. But yes, I am doing something that's a little bit different from just the letter. I actually been wanting to play a bigger game, and if you remember in one of my last few videos, I actually mentioned that I wanted to do... Oh my god. Gonna have it like this for a minute so I can talk. But yes, in my last few videos of the letter, I actually mentioned I was deciding on doing either The Witcher or Sleeping Dogs. And I decided to go with Sleeping Dogs because my friend was like, "Oh, you like detective stories and kung fu? That's totally up your alley. You should do that game." So I tried. And it was horribly laggy. Now, the reason actually for that is because I'm playing on my PC. I don't have an actual computer with a tower or whatnot. So I'm actually going to be looking into investing into a computer so I can upload all my gaming stuff, my editing software, things like that, strictly for my gaming, so I can do more games, bigger games, things like that for you guys. It's something I really want to do, besides all my writing and such, and I think it's a wise thing where I can continue my gaming and such on a actual computer rather than just on my PC, because there's only so much my laptop can do. Even though it's got like premium Intel and all that stuff, it's got a lot of memory and things like that. But even then, it can still be super laggy. So I'm really just going to be recording this just as a test, just to make sure. And if you guys are down with that and you're cool with that, let me know. So this is going to be something like every so often I'm going to do like an episode of Letter and then do an episode of Okami. That's my intention. So again, this might just end up being a test just to see what you guys think. At least until I get to maybe the first save point, but yeah, let's see how this goes. So I also apologize if I make an ass of myself. But again, I actually wanted to do Okami for a while, and I just figured, you know what, might as well now try to do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I did fooling around with it, so here's hoping.
Okami.
Long ago, a tiny hamlet known as Kamiki lay nestled in a grove of proud and beautiful cherry blossoms. Each and every tree around the quiet burg was honored as a god. However, the village was not without its dark secrets. To state the appetite of Orochi, a fearsome cave-dwelling beast, a young maiden was offered as a sacrifice at the annual festival. With a body like a mountain and 8 heads mounted on necks the size of tree trunks, its blood-red eyes alone were said to curse anyone who gazed into them. No one dared disobey the horrific beast. When the night of the sacrifice drew near, a mysterious white wolf appeared outside the village. This wolf, its coat as brilliant as snow, was dubbed Shiranui. The wolf kept a watchful eye on anyone who ventured outside the village, and made a habit of patrolling the streets at night. People assumed the wolf to be a familiar of Orochi. One villager took it upon himself to face the fearsome Shiranui. The warrior Nagi attempted many times to challenge the wolf, but his attempts were thwarted by Shiranui's swift movements. Before long, the night of the accursed festival had arrived. A white-plumed arrow heralded the coming sacrifice. Piercing the sky, the arrow sunk its shaft squarely into... Cat's meowing. Hey! Not while I'm reading. Piercing the sky, the arrow sunk its shaft squarely into the home of Nami, the village's most beautiful maiden. Nagi, harboring a secret love for Nami, was enraged by this sign. Determined to put an end to Orochi once and for all, Nagi traveled to the beast's cave in place of his beloved. The Moon Cave, a place as dark as evil itself, served as Orochi's home. As Nagi stood bravely before the entrance, a beast appeared. Glowing eyes, Why can't I read? A beast appeared. Eyes glowing crimson upon 8 thrashing necks. Orochi stood tall before him, anxious for another sacrifice. Nagi leapt with incredible grace, swinging his blade valiantly. On and on he sliced, went into the moonless night. On and on he sliced, well into the moonless night. But Orochi's hide was like steel. The blade left nary a scratch. At long last, Nagi, his entire energy spent from the intense battle, dropped to his knees, fatigued and gasping for breath. He knew he was staring death in the face. It was then that the wolf appeared. As if to protect Nagi, it stood its ground before Orochi. In the darkness of the cave, the wolf's coat shone brilliantly. Alas, it was Shiranui, the wolf that dwelled outside the village. Bearing its fearsome claws, Shiranui leapt towards Orochi. Bearing its fearsome claws, Shiranui leapt toward Orochi. Orochi reared its terrifying heads, readied its fangs for battle. The two beasts struggled wildly, thrashing in the darkness. Mysterious and terrifying, the spectacle continued. Shiranui summoned gusts of divine wind to counter Orochi's flames. As Orochi closed in on Shiranui, sharpened claws glistening, a giant tree suddenly sprouted forth, shielding the wolf. Shiranui fought gallantly to gain the upper hand. However, Orochi, protected by a mystical power, was not easily bested. Shiranui, covered in gashes, majestic coat dyed crimson, stood exhausted before the mighty Orochi. Orochi saw a chance to strike what would be the final blow. But Shiranui refused to give in. With its last ounce of strength, the majestic wolf gazed heavenward and unleashed a mighty howl. Suddenly, the black clouds overhead dissipated. The light from above glinted off Nagi's sword as a beacon of hope. Guided by his sword, Nagi, who had been taking... Let's try that again. Guided by his sword, Nagi, who had been taking shelter in the shadows, stood proudly to face his adversary, channeling all his strength into his sacred and battered arms. Oh, into his scarred. Channeling all of his strength into his scarred, battered arms. He leapt ferociously toward Orochi, his sword poised high. The golden sword danced in his hands like a puppet on a string. One by one, Orochi's fearsome heads separated from their owner. Orochi's broken body collapsed in a lake of its own blood. In that instant, the curse that plagued the villagers was lifted. As the battle subsided, the sun shone once again in the sky. Shiranui had succumbed to Orochi's poison and struggled to breathe. Nagi scooped the beast into his arms and returned to Kamiki. When they reached the village, Shiranui was no longer moving. The village elder gently stroked the wolf's head. In response, Shiranui let out a hoarse and pitiful bark. They then closed its eyes and drifted off into slumber. Then closed its eyes and drifted off as if into slumber. Peace had at last returned to Kamiki village. In honor of Shiranui's heroic exploits, the villagers erected a shrine and placed a statue of the wolf within it. Nagi's sword that was christened Tsukuyomi and placed inside the moon cave. The villagers all looked forward to an age of endless peace. However, this is not the end of this story. There is more to this tale than most people know. 100 years have passed since Nagi and Shiranui's heroic exploits. It happened so quickly that no one in the village even took notice. That's never a good sign. Is this the legendary sword? Is this Tsukuyomi, the sword that banished the dreaded Orochi? No, it couldn't be. It's just a legend, nothing but a fairy tale. I beg to differ. I mean, like, if it's a sword placed there, there's a reason for it. O he who seeks power, he who has broken my bonds. Speak the words, I wish darkness unto the world. Utter that prayer unto me, and unleash my power. Ooh, that is a lot of teeth. That's not good. Aw, that's kind of cute. A horrible tragedy suddenly swept over the land. However, there was one village that seemed to escape the terrible curse. The tiny settlement of Kamiki Village enjoyed the protection of a sacred tree. It is here that the real story begins. Oh. Wood Sprite Sakuya. How troublesome. This is just like the ancient prophecy of doom. You're pretty. What has transpired to bring about such calamity? Some idiot pulled out a sword. They shouldn't have done it. We must act quickly. There is no time to lose. My power has diminished over the years I've spent protecting this area. Oh. My power has diminished over the years I've spent protecting this area. I don't have much time left in this world. Oh. Amaterasu, now is the time. We have never needed your power more. Shine your divine light upon this broken and polluted world. Let your heavenly rays become our hope as you guide us all. Okami Amaterasu. I like what the swirls you have. Ah, such divine white light, such beauty and grace. The only one capable of such a wondrous spectacle is none other than our mother and the origin of all that is Amaterasu. How delightful to see that the Savior whose brave sacrifice sealed away the evil demons so many years ago has not changed one bit. Also, I can kinda see your butt. Seeing you emerge after so many years spent as a statue brings happiness to my heart. Sniff. Like, I'm just a dog, and I'm tired, and I want to sleep. Amaterasu. Gaze above you and take in the condition of the sky. Since your untimely departure from our midst, the world has succumbed to devious and vicious beasts. They have ravaged our fine, bountiful country of Nippon. But never have the circumstances been worse than they are at this very moment. Please use your powers to banish the darkness and punish those who would do us harm. Eh? What is this? Has something stolen its way into my robe? Ho ho ho. Oh hee hee. What? Phew, what on earth? You again? What? Ow, 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 ow. Are you nuts? Boy, for a little thing, you sure make a big fuss. I was just trying to make the conversation a bit more interesting, that's all. That was anime as hell. Were you napping in my clothes again, Bug? Bug, I told you 1,000 times not to call me that. I am a wandering artist. The name's Isun. Wandering artist Isun. You're very tiny. I'll show you just how great I am, and it won't be long till you're bowing before my great brush. Oh. Well, it is very pretty. Where did you have that? Well, what do you think? Even cuter than the real thing, no? What's with you, Furball? You look kind of down in the dumps. Actually, you look kind of familiar. Yeah, I was a statue for 100 years. What, you don't know? Okay. Got it. You look just like that statue of Shiranui. There you go. And eat. Whoa! What do you think you're doing? Are you crazy? I'm a dog! Wolf. Wolf. I'm a wolf. A handsome guy like me should never be covered in wolf slobber. You'll regret messing with the great Isun. Don't make me use my prize sword, Denkamaro, against you. Oh. Well, there goes the comedic moment. Well, what was that growling sound? And why is it so dark, anyway? Oh, great God, Amaterasu. I've used all the power I have to protect Kamiki Village. The village lives on. Their spirits lie encased in my fruit. Cut it free, and the village will be reborn. Ooh. I trust in you. I know that you will lead us down the right path. Only your awesome power can restore life to the world. The trees return to normal, huh? That Sakio girl sure said some weird stuff. Villagers' spirits are being kept inside the fruit. That's the fruit. The girl said that. If you cut it down, the village will be restored. But it's awfully high up there. If you don't use some kind of special power, then there's no way you're gonna reach it. This darkness is really getting to me, too. A lot can happen when you're taking a nap. That's very true. Okay. Yay! Somersault roll. Okay, let's go in the tree. That really is cute. Where are we? It got awfully quiet all of a sudden. I don't remember any place like this in the village. Well, we better keep our eyes peeled. You can use the right stick to look around. LB to change your point of view. Oh. Boy, you really look so helpless. You're not gonna... You sure you're gonna be okay? I just started! Cut me a break! Okay, you said LB. Oh. Woo! Aww. Haha! Okay. Camera. Camera. Is that a save? Okay, I'm gonna quickly save. Hold on. That's an origin mirror. They said once your reflection appears on its surface, your memories will be stored in the mirror for all eternity. Handy. Well, to put it shortly, you can save your progress here. And let me give you a little advice. You should save a number of game files. Oh. That way, you could always go back if you get stuck or something. Gotta be prepared, especially while you're still learning the ropes. Okay. Okay. So, I think for this, whenever I do like a save and such, I'm just gonna quickly exit out of the game, just to make sure that the recording is working. That's my intention. But, I'm gonna keep going for now. Press X button to... Oh, I should be reading. I wasn't reading there for a second. I'm sorry. This camera's gonna be hard to get used to. I got money! Money in the bank! Where do I keep it? I'm a dog! Wolf! Why do I keep saying dog? Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on there, Furball. Get a load of that. The chest looks mighty tempting. Let's check it out. Getting up that high ought to be a piece of cake. Press A to jump, then press A again to do a wall jump. But make sure you press it firmly so you jump really high. Okay. Whoa! That's handy. I knew you could do it. They say good luck is found in high places. So keep your eyes peeled when we don't want to miss any treasure. Oh yeah, and she's kind of looking at it too. Obtained Holy Bone S. Amaterasu's favorite snack. Restores 3 units of solar energy. Cool. Oh. Looks like the bridge is out. This should be hard. Amaterasu, was it? That's kinda long. Mind if I call you Amy? Listen, Amy. Ever heard of the spirits of the brush? Good brushwork has its own soul. At least that's what they say. Just watch. It'd take all day to explain. Picture's worth 1,000 words, right? What? Cool. Nice, huh? Just a little technique I've mastered called rejuvenation. It's one of many brush techniques that use divine power. It's a brush god power that can restore broken or missing things. Neat. I've practiced really hard just to master this one technique. But there are 13. Each one is a power of one of the 13 brush gods. Originally, all 13 were a single powerful deity. When the deity died, its power was split into 13 separate gods. Gods now dwell within objects all around us, but God or no God, how could anyone have the power to master all 13? Well, I think we did in the past, so... Camera. River of the Heavens. River of the Heavens. They mean the fabled Stardust River? But I sure don't see anything like that around here. It could just be a little puddle over there. It couldn't just be that little puddle over there, could it? I think I have to go up here. Wow, look at the stars twinkle. I haven't seen such a beautiful nighttime sky in ages. Hey, look at all those... Look, those stars are forming a pattern, or is it just me? There's one missing. Guess I'll just have to draw the missing star. Oops. Bah! I'm just not ready to draw missing stars. It's B to hold the brush and then A to draw. Okay. I sure spend a heck of a lot of time practicing that. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, you look cool. Ah, why is it... why, if it isn't Amaterasu. I apologize for not contacting you sooner during these long years. Having forgotten you, I, Yomigami, god of restoration, have eagerly awaited this day when we could meet again. While you were away, the 13 spirits of the brush that you once possessed, including myself, have been scattered across these lands of men and now lie in disarray. I became a constellation and managed to survive until now. The time has come for you to seek out and reunite all the techniques. Your power is what is needed to restore the dried riverbed of the heavens and renew the flow of stardust. Neat. You look really cool. Whoa, so that was Yomigami, the god of rejuvenation. Wait, so you have the power of rejuvenation now? Can you really use it to restore the river of the heavens? That would mean you're as good with a brush as yours truly. Can't read. Nah, that couldn't be true. Who else could master this incredible god technique? A god? That I'm one, so there you go. Little tiny bug. Okay. Whoa! A river of stardust. This really must be the river of the heavens. But what I really want to know is who the heck drew the darn thing. I did. Me. I did. Oh, I can swim at least. That's a good thing. Oop. Ah! There we go. Oh. You've obtained Astral Pouch. Look what you found, Furball. This Astral Pouch here is amazing. It can swallow up a lot of food. Then, when it's full, it can revive its owner if he or she dies. Let's just start feeding it with whatever food we can find around here. Okay. Ah. Oh, you consumed apple. Nectar-filled sour apple. Fills Astral Pouch a little bit. You consume peach. Juicy and fragrant peach. Fills Astral Pouch a little bit. Neat. Oh, you consumed orange. Orange with the shape of citrus taste. Fills Astral Pouch a little bit. Okay. Whoa. Really fast. Camera. Fountain of Nagi. Nagi? What's his name doing here? Good question. Oh! This is the legendary shrine. We must be in the cave of Nagi. The legendary hero Nagi is enshrined here. He vanquished evil 100 years ago with the help of the White Wolf Shiranui. First the river of the heavens and now this place. Where the heck are we, Furball? Boy, this place is a wreck. See? That sword's really in bad shape. The god sure didn't do much to protect this place. Oh, the gods sure didn't do much to protect this place. There we go. That really was your brush all this time. How'd you get so good, exactly? Exactly who are you, anyway? I'm a god. Hey, there's another constellation. This one looks like a...
Oh, it's a mouse.
Aw. I will fix you. Oh, you're so cute! Oh! Whoa! Talk about appearances deceiving by... being... can't talk. Jeez, that's a big sword. Well, 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 if it isn't Mother Amaterasu. It's been a long time, but with all these monsters around, the only place I could hide was in the shrine dedicated to the ancient heroes. If there's anything I can do to assist you in your endeavors, I am at your service. Make good use of this power, as it was designed to conquer evil. You are so cute. I want a plushie of you. Sweet. Hey, that was the god Tachigami, master of the power / technique. Wait a minute. If you're getting all these powers, then you're just like that Shiranui. You know, the wolf who fought and died alongside the great Nagi? When Shiranui died, the wolf's power was split into 13 brush gods. This is crazy. Shiranui and Nagi? It's just like the legend. Well, anyway, I've never seen this power / technique myself. How about showing your stuff off on that boulder over there? Let me see you slice it in half by drawing a single line. I won't believe it till I see it. Not a straight line exactly, but it works. Wow. I didn't think you had it in ya, Furball. I'm not even in the same league as you. Guess I really overestimated myself. That's... Hey, Furball. Amaterasu. I've made up my mind. If you're Shiranui reborn, then that means you can master all 13 techniques, right? In that case, I think I'll tag along until I'm as good as you. Lucky you! Yay? Nah, I don't think I'm too happy about that. It's no use trying to change my mind. There's no stopping me once I've made a decision. But enough about me. Now that you've mastered the power /, you can cut down that thing Sakie was talking about. Let's go back and give it a shot. Okay. Why do I have that arrow pointing in front of me? I guess it's just saying, go in that direction. I will in a minute. Getting good at this. Oops. Oh no! I cut down the tree! I'm so sorry. Whoa! What the? Where'd they come from? Whatever. Draw first, ask questions later, right? You know the divine instrument you have on your back? Well, press X to use its power against them. Ooh! Whoa! Look, Amy! Caught them off guard and turned them black and white. They're easy prey for your brush, no matter how nasty they are. Grab your brush and give them a power /. got them both in one. Haha! Ooh, stuff. You've obtained ink bottle. Bottle full of ink fills one of Amaterasu's ink pots. Cool. Woo! I am proud of myself. Beat up the bad guy.
Woo!
Oh, again? Ugh. Oh, did I get them both? I got them both! Yes! Sweet! Oh, this is fun. I like this. Can I slash these boulders? No. Damn. Okay. Let's go free the villagers. Woo.
Woo!
Okay, Arrow, shut up. I know. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty. Whoa, the village has been restored. Sakia came through big time. She really was protecting the village. But I sure wish I could have spent some more time in her keep. Really, dude? If you know what I mean. God damn it. Shut up, Isun. But seriously, with monsters running around and all, the village could still be in danger. Let's go see how they're all doing down there. I will, but I'm gonna save that for next time. So, I'm gonna go save. Yeah! And if you guys have any comments or want to tell me what you think and all that stuff, or if you think I'm playing annoying, go right on ahead. But anyway, guys, this is Cat Demon 43, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye!